This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for May 13th. Well, corn was given a mixed bag by the USDA in yesterday's report. They increased corn exports by 100 million bushels for the 2021 crop year, and that left projected carryout at 1,257 million bushels, which was tighter than what the trade was expecting. However, they slashed the 21-22 projected exports by 325 million bushels, which gave us a projected carryout for the 21-22 marketing year of just over 1.5 billion bushels, about 150 million more bushels than what the trade was looking for. Now, to get to that number, they used a national average yield of 179.5 bushels per acre. And that would be 3 bushels per acre higher than any national corn yield we've ever seen in the history of this nation. On the international front, the USDA lowered its Brazilian corn estimate by 7 million metric tons down to 102 million. The USDA chose to take a hands-off approach to soybeans. They left the 2021 projected carryout unchanged at 120 million bushels. Looking at the projected 21-22 carryout, they slashed exports by 205 million bushels, by also increasing crush by 35 million to arrive at a projected carryout of 140 million bushels. Now, for the 21-22 marketing year, they're using a national average yield of 50.8 bushels per acre, which would be the second largest bean yield that we've ever seen in the history of this nation. Now, obviously, any weather-related production problems could turn the soybean market into a Roman candle. From an international perspective, they increased the global new crop stocks by 4.5 million metric tons over the current year, about 3 million more than what the trade was expecting. Wheat saw the projected carryout increase by 20 million bushels as the USDA decreased exports. The USDA also placed the new crop 21-22 stocks at 774 million bushels, and that was about 50 million bushels higher than what the trade was expecting. Cotton saw their projected ending stocks drop from 3.9 million barrels in April down to 3.3 million in yesterday's report. This pushed the futures higher, with the July futures finishing 48 points higher, settling at 88.23. Livestock futures were stronger straight across the board yesterday. At the close, August live cattle were 27.5 cents higher, while August feeder cattle were up $1.67.5 at the closing bell. Lean hog futures gained ground as well, with the June futures finishing 85 cents higher for the session. Class 3 milk futures had an absolutely fantastic day. At the close, the June futures were 64 points higher, settling at $19.64. And meat cutout values were all stronger once again. Choice box beef was up $2.71, closing at $3.15.08. Select boxes were 82 cents higher as they settled at $2.97.16. Pork carcass cutout values had a pretty strong session, finishing 91 cents higher, settling at $114.11 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.